Hi, we are from Team Thala. Thala is an intelligent ITSM agent plugin that automatically captures and organizes organization knowledge from a variety of resources like Slack and Jira using agent-driven automation. During critical incidents, it instantly retrieves relevant past resolutions, troubleshooting steps, and workarounds through semantic search acceleration response time for IT teams. This prototype demonstrates our key capabilities during automated incident detection, intelligent classification without any keyword matching, smart resolution linking, and knowledge preservation through systematic tracking. Our prototype is going to be a productive tool for IT employees in tracking down the issues and fixing them within short span of time. Before diving into the demonstration, let's have a quick glance at our pipeline. We have Kafka, which is used for high-volume data ingestion pipeline from different sources. Here they are Slack and Jira, and they are connected via WebSockets by their SDK providers. And we have the main backend as Python plus Flask, which is capable of handling more requests. And we are capable of handling both text and imagery data from both Jira and Slack sources. And once we have an image input, it's going to directly store in S3 buckets, and using AWS text flag, all the text content is going to be extracted in detail from the image and is going to be passed into the Kafka queue. And this Kafka queue passes them to the Elasticsearch, which provides the embeddings for them and stores for the future vector searches that is going to happen. So each query is having its own embedding values and is stored in Elasticsearch, so we can list down the incidents and find quick response. Now, after getting the response from different sources, we're going to concatenate using a Llama model, which we have deployed in Amazon Bedrock. Using Bedrock, Llama model is going to run and return us the concatenation results. Here, we have three main types of classification that the Llama model is going to perform. That is incident, discussion, and resolution. Now, all the discussion that's happening in Slack need not to be an incident. There can be a normal discussion as well. So this ensures that each message that's received via Kafka is going to check by this Llama model that whether it's an incident, discussion, or resolution. If it's incident, it's create a separate linking mechanism that creates the issue, which in turns will be recognized. Now, each of the message will have been assigned a small embedding by using all mini LM L6 model from Hugging Face. And this gives a small amount of embedding for each type of incident. This is majorly for us to compare that the wording comes under which types of classification. Once we have the classification, we'll ensure that the next text that's coming, we are going to compare it with the different types out there. So we have constructed our Llama model with few short prompting with dozens of examples, so it knows for sure that the sentence belongs to which types of classification. And it really helps us in classifying and searching for designated solutions. This is another highlight feature of our prototype. So once there is an issue recognized, we can solve it via three ways. One is via the past incident, in which the Elasticsearch results the similar issues which has been solved before, along with the issue and the resolution. The second type is using web search. So web search uses the problem and searches with different websites. And we believe that searching in Stack Overflow gives us maximum amount of accurate answer because we know that Stack Overflow can provide us with solution to different problems related to technical. And the third option is to combine these both methods so that we are having a web search knowledge and also related to our past incident to provide us a better result. And we have deployed this web scraper in AWS Lambda. And this web scraper is powered by Tably. So once we provide the corresponding description, Tably searches the related links from the web related to this issue. And using Beautiful Soup library, we are going to scrape these websites. And finally, Lambda function will return us with scraped content of all this solution related to this corresponding issue. And that finally returns to the Llama model, which is hosted on Bedrock, to provide us with the corresponding result. Okay, now let's see the demo. And one guy takes that there's a slow API functionality. And someone takes that they are getting as well. And they're attaching the necessary log screenshot. And now you can see the Thala issue actually returned the actual issue and their sources. And this is the regular discussion that the team is having based on that. And now they're just trying to get a fix. Okay, they're just starting with the web search. And with the relevant resources, it returns the results from Stack Overflow. And they're discussing that past incident might help them. And they're just referring it. And Sai has actually found the issue. He's trying to resolve it. And yeah, he reconnected the configuration and now you can see the issues are gone now. It's that simple. And once the issue has been resolved, it will be indexed and it can be used for the future documentation purpose. Now let's see another use case where there is a Jira ticket here that users of some regions are facing some authentication issues with some corresponding comments of description of what the issue is exactly. And without explicitly mentioning in Slack, the agent automatically gets the info about that issue and returns the category and severity. And someone's going to look into the issue and going to use both the past incidents and web research, going to give a detailed response of fixing the issue quickly. Okay. And you can use the Thala search command to quickly view the past incidents and the resolutions used to fix that. And you can attach the screenshots. It will still understand from just your image. It's that fast capable. And once they're done, they can simply update in the Jira. It automatically understands. And whatever the issue and resolutions are happening, all will be indexed and will be used for future resolutions. so that it can quickly tell you the exact issue and the resolution that has been used. And it makes your productivity of the entire team much more higher than before.